G'day Year 11, and thanks again for listening to these YouTube clips, even if you're being forced to do so. Today we're taking a look at managing change effectively. What does that mean? What are we talking about? Let's break it down. It's a big topic, so it'll be done over 2 different YouTubes and also 2 different lessons during class time. So we're taking a look at managing. That's leading, overseeing. We look at the next word, change, and that's about doing things differently. And that is needed sometimes. And the last one, effectively, means are you doing something well or crap? If you can put those things together, to manage change effectively means that you are bringing about changes, doing things differently, and doing it well. There's some steps involved in order to be able to do that. Today we're going to look at 2.5 of those, and next lesson the final 2. The first one is to be able to identify the need for change. Why change? What's the point? Don't change for the sake of it. And inside this identifying the need for change, there's a thing called business information systems or management information systems. Now, they're very effective tools, BIS, to be able to identify where the change needs to occur and where it needs to occur. Next lesson, the second part of this lesson, we'll be taking a look at setting achievable goals. So making sure you're putting in place, based on the first part, identifying the need for change, goals and things that can actually occur in a realistic time frame, given the resources you have. Next lesson, still under managing change effectively, we will look at 2 other concepts, 2 other syllabus dot points. That's resistance to change and management consultants. I won't talk much about that now. Next lesson we'll delve into that. So the first part of managing change effectively is identifying the need for change. Why do we need to change? There's good ways to be able to do that. The first one is to scan the external environment, to be able to see any trends or patterns. What are competitors doing? What's happening to your various control and monitoring tools? Your financial statements. Is your business doing well? But the best way to be able to identify the need for change is to use the business information systems that I mentioned before, or the management information systems. One good example of a business information system is MYOB. It stands for Mind Your Own Business. It's an accounting tool that can be used to be able to look at your taxation, to be able to look at your net profit, your gross profit, your sales, all your other expenses. It's the guru for small and medium business, this program, when it comes to monitoring your business. That information can be used to be able to identify trends, to see if there's something that's not going so well. And you can use this to say, okay, I need to tweak the business here to make changes. Without reliable data, then you don't know what you need to change and whether you should change something. Now, the last part of this particular YouTube clip and lesson is to take a look at setting achievable goals. Make sure that the goals, what you want to have happen, are achievable, are doable. Don't make them too big. Don't expect too much in a short time frame. Look, one quick example of where in a school we were able to have something that needed to be changed. That was our administrative system. We used a dated system called Access Database. It was fine in the 80s and 90s, but no longer of use. So we needed to bring something else in. We use a program, an online tool called Central, and it's really good. For teachers, with all the administration, it allows you to put your marks on Markbook from home or wherever, do your reports, be able to put down incidents with student welfare or discipline issues. That's just touching the surface of what this does. But in terms of setting achievable goals, this wasn't expected to be done straight away. Staff were trained in how to use each module. Each module was brought in a bit at a time so that staff felt comfortable with the change. The goals were small, incremental, and consultation was carried out with staff to make sure that they were happy with one module before we moved on to the next. There's still aspects of Central that we've not incorporated yet because it takes time to do so. All right, guys, thanks for listening to this YouTube clip. And remember, next lesson ties in with this one, where we take a look again at effective change management, how to manage change effectively. See you later.